You are going to love the 2021 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power passenger seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.